Today we're gonna be doing the ultimate closet and beauty clean out. We're gonna be doing the nitty gritty, cleaning the shower, throwing away some beauty products, and cleaning out my closet and reorganizing it for the new year. If you're new here, my name is Maria Shakaya. I've honestly been avoiding cleaning out a lot of these things the last month since it was Christmas and the holidays. So I wanted this video to be a motivation for you to clean out. So make sure you grab a coffee and matcha while we clean our room together. Start off with cleaning the bathroom counter. Easiest thing to clean, this perfume set. It's so easy to just get your perfumes whenever you want and your lotions. Now to the shower. We need to clean the shower every day because it's so hard to get these stains out if you wait too long. I need to move my shower caddy more towards the front so I can easily put the products back in the shower caddy or get another one where it's like comes down and I can easily organize it. All the products that I'm reorganizing and cleaning are gonna be linked under my Shop My and also in the description down below. The makeup section was somewhat hard to clean because I had dropped some of my powder in my makeup bag, which I need to stop carrying everywhere around with me. I had to clean it out and make sure it was all clean while I organize it. And I threw away some makeup products because they're just so old, and I really want to start using this makeup section of my bathroom more. My closet is one of my favorite places in my room. As a fashion girly, you know you love your closet. Are you a fashion girly that leaves your closet clean or dirty? Let me know down in the comment section. I'd love to know. Now that my closet is clean, we need to put some fits together. I'm currently planning on my elevated casual looks video, so make sure you guys subscribe and you see what the looks will be. I'm excited to share with you guys some of the looks. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.